Today we're diving into the intriguing and prophetic world of Zechariah, focusing on chapters 9 to 11. Whether you're well-versed in the Bible or just curious, you're in the right place. Zechariah chapters 9 to 11 unfold a vivid tapestry of prophecy and promise with profound themes that resonate even today. Chapter 9 opens with a powerful vision foretelling judgment on Israel's surrounding nations.
Amidst this, a beacon of hope shines through in Zechariah 9:9, predicting the arrival of a king riding humbly on a donkey. Now, this isn't just any reference. This verse is famously linked to Jesus' entry into Jerusalem, symbolizing peace and salvation.
Moving into chapter 10, the focus shifts to restoration and strength. Zechariah invokes images of scattered sheep which speak to a lost people in need of guidance. Verse 12 captures this beautifully. I will strengthen them in the Lord, and in His name they will live securely.
It's a message of hope and spiritual renewal, promising empowerment and security for those who turn to God. Chapter 11 takes a darker turn, highlighting themes of betrayal and leadership failure. It tells a compelling story through Zechariah's symbolic actions as a shepherd. In this chapter, Zechariah embodies the role of two shepherds with differing fates. The narrative speaks deeply about leadership and the tragic consequences of rejecting true guidance. Verse 12 holds a poignant scene where Zechariah asks for his due payment and receives a meager 30 pieces of silver, alluding to betrayal. This echoes in the New Testament in the context of Judas Iscariot. These chapters from Zechariah are a fascinating blend of historical context and prophecy with a strong spiritual message. They invite us to reflect on leadership, hope, and redemption. With each verse, we uncover timeless lessons relevant to our lives today. So, whether you're exploring this for the first time or revisiting an old favorite, Zechariah 9 to 11 offers a rich, thought-provoking experience. If you enjoyed this summary, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay with us for more deep dives into the world of the Bible. Thanks for watching.